My lord, so consistent.
Yes, please.
The point involved in this public interest litigation. Can the religious structures be permitted in a public land? Contrary to the stringent directions of the Honorable Apex Court is the point. Well, admittedly, there's two, well, kindly see page 43, one moment. It's a Adangal. Government Adangal Revenue Department shows Adangal, which is latest Adangal Melot, 21/4/2028, which shows that it is a government land. Prabhutva Bhumi. In the translation copy, page 44. Survey number 470 of like 17, 12 consists of 40 cents, which are classified as the government land. Not the government land now, the unofficial respondent may not the intervention. The official respondent or unofficial respondent colluded together and they are trying to construct the religious structure in the government land, contrary to the stringent directions of Honorable Apex Court. Honorable Apex Court judgment, which I placed page 57.
Where are the previous reports, the Adangal reports?
Page 57, my lord, Honorable Apex Court, the guidelines, may kindly see.
Please,
Page 57 is the judgment.
We're asking you a question. Where are the earlier reports? This is akin to those like Jama Bandis. So like, but this is like in the nature of a Jama Bandi. This is primarily in the nature of a Jama Bandi. So where are the earlier reports?
The earlier reports, my lord, this is online Adangal, which is available in the revenue records.
Yes, but you please show us the earlier reports also.
Earlier reports, my lord, in respect of
This same land.
well, as on today, this is the only record available on the online. And it is undisputed, my lord. It is
Undisputed since how long has this temple been there? That is what you have to tell us.
It is there, my lord, for the since immemorial is their contention of the unofficial respondent. Whether it is existed Ramalayam or it is a Gontemagudi, which is a local goddess, is the undisputed fact. And we are not also disputing there is a dilapidated building is there in that location and it is a religious construction. But the religious construction was made in since immemorial in the government land. Now, my lord, Honorable Apex Court guidelines, which specifically says no construction. If my lord kindly see the direction, one moment, my lords will understand.
Please show us from your petition where you say that this temple has been in place since such and such years. Show us, please.
So the specifically added paragraph, my lord.
What you are trying to say is that with the help of local politicians, etc.,
Yes.
we are attempting to demolish the existing structure.
It was already demolished. After filing this public interest litigation, the existing dilapidated building was demolished. And my lord, now it is, my lord, the entire land was leveled. After filing the public interest litigation, overnight, my lord, with the help of 200 police, the existing building was, my lord, demolished.
Can you just show us the earlier part of the building? Where was it? Where are the photographs?
But earlier part of building, I placed a photograph, my lord.
Page 78?
Yes, page, my lord, 71.
78.
This is earlier part of building.
So now it is no longer there?
It is no more. After filing appeal, my lord, the entire building has been demolished. And the photograph shows, my lord, all the authorities were present with the help of police. 300 police people came on 27th, 26th.
Are you saying this was a historical building?
Historical building, my lord, the local goddess, my lord, which is a Dalita temple. My lord, local people are used to offer pujas for the said temple is the local contention. Now, my lord, the other unofficial respondent contention, it is Ramalayam because it is since immemorial, it is land is existed. Our contention is, my lord, it is not Ramalayam, it is a local goddess temple and some part, my lord, which is used for the open space for the local panchayati conducting people and all is our contention. Now, my lord, be as that may be. The contention, my lord, whether the permission
Who
can
is
be.
the petitioner?
My lords,
Who is the petitioner?
petitioner is the my lord, a local person. She is residing in the very local area and she also used to offer pujas for the said Gontemagudi.
Is she involved with the management of the
No.
earlier temple?
No, there is no such temple and nobody is offer pujas because it is a dilapidated building for the since immemorial. Nobody is offering pujas. This shows my lord saying that. But now the unofficial respondent contended it is a Ramalaya.
1932 Salaram ఎదురేది అది క్లియర్గా లేదు సార్ అంతా మనం కరెంట్ బిల్ వేసాం రీసెంట్ కరెంట్ బిల్ వేసాం సేల్ చేసి అన్ని వేసాం చూపిస్తున్నాయి చేసి కొత్త రామాలయం పడుతున్నాం ఇది 1931 నుంచి ఉందండి.
What is the status of this earlier writ petition?
My lord, status is, my lord, it is pending.
1 of 2020.
Yes, it is pending.
Actually, there is an interim direction. There is no interim direction, my
There
lord.
is a statement made on your behalf.
Statement made, my lord, without permission, no temple will be constructed.
Hmm.
My lord, we applied for the for the permissions. Permissions have been granted. A local inspection has been conducted by the RDO. RDO has given a report to the collector. My collector has given an NOC. Basing on the NOC, the municipal commissioner has granted permission for construction of the reconstruction of the temple. And my lord, that there actually the PAL is filed. My lord, this before this, my lord, actually the very same, my lord, the two persons are very close to this PAL person filed the present that petition. Thereafter, that is pending, no interim orders are granted. There, my lord, with a similar set of allegations, a contempt has been filed. A contempt also pending now. Well, now pending that contempt with the very same allegations, well, now the present PAL has been filed, saying that in that, my lord, the writ petition, earlier writ petition, it was claimed it is a Ratchabanda. Ratchabanda means, my lord, actually the people actually sitting and giving, my lord, some
Common place for the.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
That was the, my lord. Then it was now improved the case is that there is a Guntenamma temple. We don't know what is that temple. No temple is there. But from 1932 onwards, in the revenue record shows that there is a Ramalayam. There is a Ramalayam. My lord, I filed, my lord, because I am appearing, my lord, no notice is ordered, my lord, I have not filed the papers. I have all papers. My lord, 19, my lord, actually 91. Current, I filed my electricity bills. 1991 sale deeds actually I filed, where actually the adjacent land was sold. The boundary was shown as a Ramalayam land. Everywhere Ramalayam. You lost me, kindly see, page 43, my land fund file.
And who has filed this writ petition 999 of 26 and
They
what is the
only.
prayer?
They only, my lord. But the very same advocate for all these three.
And
Alright,
we
but who is
mentioned the same in
petitioner?
the,
My lord, the petitioners, my lord, actually the relations of this man, the PL person.
What is the prayer in that writ petition?
We are constructing a temple without permission. My lord, that affidavit also, I'm having the affidavit, my lord, may pass on to your lordship, my lord.
I placed the order of this honorable court also, my lord.
In the order, my lord, it was extracted. Page 51. Without permission, we are constructing. To circumvent the order, PIL now.
This matter is already pending,
Yes.
and all these issues can very well be
During
taken up.
pending, my lord, they came along with the 200 policemen and demolished the building and they made efforts for construction.
Now, please listen. The matter is already sub judice.
Yes.
Where is the question of now starting parallel proceedings?
No, this is a writ petition. This is a public interest litigation.
That is
Because-
also a writ petition with the
Yes.
same prayer, and all those grounds are available to the petitioners there.
In the writ petition, my lord, we sought, the petitioner sought prayer without permission, don't construct.
Yes.
Now my contention is the
So
government land.
why couldn't the petitioners therein have also taken this ground that you can't construct anything else?
Yes.
Why can't they take it? This ground could have been very well there.
Writ petition, my lord, honorable apex court guidelines in the writ petition, government land construction is all, my lord, matter of concern. Now the personal injury here before my lords concerned, these are apex
What
court
is the personal injury to these writ petitioners?
because they are
Earlier-
also offering pujas, Guntam Gudi, their contention in
Now
the
again, please listen. The earlier writ petition, who are the petitioners?
where they are local residents.
So they are also local residents.
Yes,
So here also petitioner is a local resident.
local resident. Yes, but it's in the interest of the larger public interest. Honorable apex court directed, my lord, and also my lord, one more submission. When the Andhra Pradesh
Please-
government was,
please
it's a very
listen.
important piece of information. my lord.
Please listen, we will hear you. We are not saying we'll not hear you. But please answer our question also.
Yes,
How you can have these parallel kind of proceedings?
my lord, this is a parallel kind of proceedings. When a writ
How can
petition is,
you have?
I'll explain. When the writ petition is pending, when the authorities undertake before this honorable court,
Yes.
without any permission, they want to. My lord, without any my lord, permission, they demolished the building and they made efforts for construction of the temple, my lord, on the
Then
base.
contempt you have filed.
Yes.
Contempt is there.
Contempt has not been filed, my lord.
Well, then why
Well,
not?
my lord,
No, even
already
just one
there.
moment.
I have the copy of the contempt. also.
Contempt, my lord,
Even if they haven't filed, that is the remedy available. If there is a violation of an order which has already been passed,
because in the my
no,
lord,
please tell us. And any question of interim orders, that is very well within the domain of the court in the earlier proceedings also.
my lords.
So therefore, how is this
The
writ
writ petition also may be tagged along with the bill, my lord.
No. No, please.
No, writ petition.
No. No, why should we take it up? Let it, the bench who is hearing the matter will continue to hear it.
My lord, my only submission, when the matter is pending before the learned single judge,
So the learned single judge should hear it. If you are aggrieved of any order of the learned single judge, even then you have the remedies. But this is not the remedy. And the petitioner herein is absolutely similarly situated as the petitioner in this writ petition of 9991 of 26.
yes, she is also my lord, the local resident.
Identically situated.
Identically situated
If
because she is also,
identically situated, then is it that 3 more residents come in, we have to entertain those writs also?
my lord, so please just my lord, the bill.
Just
But
answer us.
before that, my lord, I'll show one more. My lord, when the Honorable Episcopal directed the AP government to file how many unauthorized religious structures found in the Andhra Pradesh.
Hmm.
My lord, Andhra Pradesh state government filed an affidavit before Honorable Episcopal
There.
with the statistics. My lord, that statistics are available in the record.
So this is one of them.
This is one of the declared unauthorized construction, but because there are out of 6,707 unauthorized religious structures, only 3 structures have been regularized, and the rest of the structures are declared as unauthorized structures by the state government official records. Principal Secretary filed affidavit before this Honorable Court, and Honorable Supreme Court stated we are dissatisfied with the performance of the state government because since they found 6,707 religious unauthorized constructions, but they regularized only 3. This is absolutely unsatisfied. My lord, they directed the Supreme Court to Chief Secretary to file a complaints affidavit within 6 weeks. That order, my lord, page 16, I placed it before this Honorable Court. As a material paper, my lord, I filed additional, judgments file, memo file.
Where's the memo, please?
Page 16, my lord.
The other copy.